Hey everybody. So, what if you want to add something from either the website or one of the model classrooms to your own model classroom? What does that look like? Well, first, you navigate to the place that you're wanting to get the stuff from. So, let's say I'm a seventh grade writing teacher and I want to pull something from the seventh grade writing model classroom. So, I would go to the classwork section and I'm scrolling and I see, oh, week one, sentence type, story ideas. This looks good. So I'm going to click on the thing and then I'll preview it and I'll look at this stuff and decide if I want to use it. And oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm going to use it. So what I'm going to do is go File, make a copy, and then I'm going to choose in where I want it to go, and I'll choose my drive, and then you can make a file where you can drop things for particular classes. So you could do like if you have a Google Classroom folder, and then you could drop it in your Google Classroom folder, and I'll pick that one. I'm going to drop it right in there. If I'm sharing with people, I might as well click it now instead of changing settings later and say okay. And now I have the copy. So there it is. Um, I'm going to change the title of this just to give you so I can prove like I just changed it because I'm going to search for it. So I'm going to close this out. So let's say I close it out. My kids want me to make them a snack, right? Um, and so I closed it out. And now, like, dang, okay. So now I need to go to my own classroom. So I'm just going to pick a different thing that and I'm, okay. So I'll drop it into, really doesn't matter. I'll put it in the Writing Revolution one. So now I'm in my own classroom and I want to add that super cool graphic organizer as an assignment. So I'm going to hit create assignment and oh man, I just thought about it. Everybody who's a student in this Writing Revolution class is going to get this assignment. But now I'm going to press add and I'm going to go to Google Drive. And remember, I just retitled that one. Oh my gosh, it was the first thing there. So I could do it like that because it was the last thing I touched. So it's going to be the first thing when I pull up that thing from the drive. Or if I hadn't looked at it in a while, I could actually type if I know the name of what it is, which I do. And then you just insert and then boop, there it is. Then I can type out. I'm typing these instructions because I don't want people who are actually students in the class to do this work. There's a little message to y'all, so we'll see what happens. And then now you don't have to assign. Actually, maybe I'll just save the draft. If I assign it, anybody who's a student in the class is going to get it. I can just save the draft. So that way not everybody gets notified, and then I can just take this little baby assignment and move it wherever I want. So maybe it's I want people to do that before they read the foreword of the Writing Revolution. Who knows? So that's one way to do it. Another way is if you want to access the files from the website because you're more comfortable with that, or you just remember there was something on the website that you liked, you can go to the website, navigate to the project, and it's kind of the same deal. So you just click into the folders until, sorry, my internet's slow. You just click into the folders until you find, whatever it is you want. And it's the same thing when you open a document, like, oh my gosh, look at this amazing PowerPoint. Looks like it's going to be A plus. So you just, once you're in it, you make a copy, and it's the same procedure from there. You just need to make sure you make a copy for yourself, and then it's saved to your stuff, and then you can get it whenever you want. You can organize it in your Google Drive however you want to. So that's how you add something either from the website or from Google Classroom into Where'd my classroom go? I don't know. Into your own classroom. So I hope that was helpful, and just call me if you have questions or email me. It's Catherine. Okay, bye.